Myself Manigandan, I am a head of the sales for the company Filtrec India. So we manufacture hydraulic filters and accessories which goes for the wind turbine industries.
So what was your objective of participating in this show?
See, one of the objective is in India, the wind turbine industry, it is in double or triple fold growth in the last 2-3 years and is going forward also. And so being a renewable source and considering all the population and industry demand, the demand for the power is continuous, demand it is there. So one thing, so we strategize our product to be pitched in hydraulic wind turbine application, and it is doing well. So wind turbine, there is a gearbox, there is a yaw system, there is a brake system, so which all need a hydraulic power packs, which uses the oil. So that oil to be filtered on a periodically, every 6 months once or 3 months once it has to be filtered. Then only you will get the extension of good life. So the health of the turbine in good condition for a long time. Yeah.
So do you have any feedback for the organizer about the show?
No, this every year that Windergy, it is a good initiative. I really appreciate it. And year on year, it is getting more and more visitors are coming inside, and more exhibitors we could be able to see for last 2-3 years. And the feedback is, I think we need to conduct local seminars or conference nearby every stall, small seminars where people can talk about small technologies. That would be very good. And I think it is fine. We should also pull in some of the wind industry from the Sri Lanka or the nearby Indian border countries, So where we can pull them in and promote the Indian product, that would be great.
If I ask you to sum up this show in one word, what would that one word be?
It's blowing everyone.
Right.